Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you on how to solve basic equations. So ito yung pinaka-basic ng lahat ng equations. So I think I'm going to start. Basically, meron some linear, ano ba ba? May linear equations, quadratic equations, polynomial equations, differential equations, dun sa calculus. So yeah, let's start. So x plus 4 is equals to 9. So, basically, yung gagawin natin dito is solve natin yung x. We need to isolate the x. So, move natin yung 4 dun sa kabila. Ang positive is magiging negative. So, just copy x. Nilipat natin yung 4. So, wala na siyang katabing 4. 4. Tapos magiging negative siya. So, x equals to 9 minus 4 is 5. So, that's the answer for number 1. So, as you can see, it is easy. Transpose lang. Pero sa problems na binibigay ko is nandiyan na lahat ng mga basic kung paano resolve. So, let me just rewrite this. So, x equals to 5. So, now, let's go for number 2. So, let me just write the problem. So, we have a scratch. X minus 5 is equals to 6. So, what we're going to do is transpose this negative 5 sa kabila. So, negative siya. Magiging positive. So, x is equals to 6 plus 5. So, don't mind my writing. So, 6 plus 5 is equals to 11. So, x equals to 11. So, that's it. That's how to solve certain values. Now, let's try number 3. Just erase. So, number 3, we have x plus 11 is equals to 7. Okay. So, let's just transpose this. This is positive. Magiging negative siya sa kapila. So, x equals to 7 minus 11. So, 7 minus 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4. So, negative siya. So, negative 4. Mas malaki yung 11, tapos may negative sign siya. So, therefore, negative 4. So, x equals to negative 4. So, now let's go for number 4. Let's see. So, letter Z naman yung hinahanap natin dito. So, yung variable is anything from the alphabet. So, 4 minus Z is equals to 7. So, what we're going to do here is transpose the 4. Positive siya. May invisible positive sign dun sa number 4. Ay, sa 4. So, okay, negative Z. So, mukhang to yung Z ko. So, 7 minus 4. So, negative Z is equals to 7 minus 4 is 3. So, now, what we're going to do is divide both sides by negative 1. Kasi sa Z, meron siyang positive 1 lagi. Pero may nakita sa negative sign. Yes, negative sign. So, negative 1 yun. Nasa tabi na Z. It is always there. Pag may nakita kayong X, may 1 doon. Okay, so Z is equals to 3 over negative 1. Z is equals to negative 3. So, negative 3. Oh no, I think I did a mistake in editing. So, yung number 4 is negative 3 yun, guys. 3 divided by negative 1 is negative 3. So, now let's move on. Mistake is a mistake. So, let's transpose this. So, kaliwa to kanan. So, positive siya. So, magiging negative. So, negative y is equals to 7 minus 5. Kasi na-response natin. So negative y is equals to 7 minus 5 is 2. Divide both sides by negative 1. So negative 2. Okay, now let's move on for number 6, which is 3x is equals to 24. So, paano naman pag ganito? We're just going to divide it by both sides by 3 on how to solve that. We can multiply both sides by 1 and 1/3, pero much better kapag ganito rin because basics pa naman tayo. So, 8 ang sagot dyan. So, x is equals to 8. So, now let's go to number 7, which is 5x equals 45. Okay. Five x equals 45. Divide both sides by 5. And there you have it. X is equals to... So, this will become 9. So, that's 9. Don't mind my letter. Hindi yan 4. Oops, what's this pop out on my screen? So, this is x equals to 9. So, now, how about this problem? 12 over x is equals to 4. Okay, this is just simple cross multiplication method. So, okay, so 12 over x. This is the same as 4 over 1. Lagi siyang may invisible 1 dyan sa ilalim. So, cross multiply. Mangyayari dyan is 4 times x, tapos 12 times 1. That's just how to do cross multiplication. That's it for x, because it's cross multiplication. So, 4. So, this will become 4 times x, which is 4x. May equal sign sa gitna. 12 times 1 is 12. Now, we're going to divide both sides by 4. So, x is equals to 3. 12 divided. What? Oh no, I think I'm doing so many mistakes here. 8. 8 should be 6. 8 should be 3, guys. Oh, I have so many mistakes in this tutorial video. But don't mind me, this is basic, then I'm doing so many mistakes. Maybe, okay. 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times x is x. 4 times x is 4x. So now let's divide both sides. So we get this 5. So yung number 4 is 4 is 3, and then yung 8 is 4, yung number 8 is 3. Ang answer. I hate myself. So, dito naman tayo sa 3x minus 2 equals 16. So, nandito na lahat yung combination ng transpose tapos division. So, transpose natin dyan. 3x is equals to, transpose natin yung negative. So, magiging positive siya. So, 3x is equals to 18. So, divide both sides by 3. 6, 12, 18. Okay. Luckily, I don't have a mistake here. No? So, we have 2 mistakes in this problems. Nakuha ko na sa Google, guys. Yeah. What I'm doing this week. So, let's check if our answer number 10 is correct. So, ito yung method kapag gusto nyo mag-check. So, if x is equals to 6. So, type na lang natin para mabilis. I think sa other videos ko, I'm just going to type this. 3x minus 2 is equals to 16. So, now let's substitute 6. So, we'll have 6 here minus 2 is equals to 16. So, 6 times 3 is 18. 18 minus 2 is equals to 16. And then transpose, no, we're not gonna transpose, but Subtract natin yan. So, 16 equals to 16, which means our answer is correct. So, there you have it. Thanks for watching this video, although I have so many mistakes. Bye.